Ooh, nice. Thunderstorm after dinner. Sweet. What a perfect night to have a thunderstorm.
Yep.
You want to sit?
Sure. Let's go.
Good idea. Sorry.
Oh, we still have to take a picture.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Don't let me forget I've been meaning to do it for like 3 weeks.
Oh, it's sitting right there, so I'll keep looking at it.
Okay.
Hey, you can't forget to take a picture.
Okay. Won't do that. I won't let you leave. Nice.
I love the sound of the rain as it starts falling faster.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Been wanting to catch a thunderstorm for so long.
Yeah.
Yes, I love it. Let's go stand in the middle of an open field.
I'm getting soaked over here.
Do you want a blanket? Whoa.
It's all like swinging this way.
Yeah, I know. Here, want this chair?
No.
Oh. We are still getting soaked, and I cannot see your face at all. Whoa.
Oh.
Awesome.
Oh my God,
This is
yeah.
the only thing I'm going to miss about London. Wow. Almost.
Oh my God.
Holy
This is
shit.
fucking awesome.
I
Holy
know.
shit. That's a fucking rainstorm.
Oh. Especially since it was so humid today, too. Oh, yeah, now it's coming from this side. Oh, yeah.
My cigarette is soaked almost.
Do you want to go back in? Well, then I have to stop. Whoa! I have to stop the camera.
I'm fine. I have to go home anyway.
Okay.
Oh my God!
Nice.
It's like a torrential downpour.
I know. How long has it been since it's rained here?
Oh, it's only been a couple days.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I like the big thunderclaps that scare the shit out of you.
Yeah, I love those.
Yeah, me too.
Actually, I had a thunderstorm the other night, but I slept right through it.
Really?
Donna asked me, she said, "Did you hear the thunderstorm?" No.
Yeah, I'm usually like that too. Once I get to sleep, I'm out.
Yep, that's it. My glasses are all fogged up.
Yeah. Whoa. I think I need glasses. Did I tell you that already?
Yeah. Pull your tongue back.
Oh, yeah.
I need to swim my nail.
And that was a little sample. Ooh.
Ooh.
As soon as I turn this off, it's going to get really cool.
It's funny, I'm soaked.
I know, me too. Yeah, okay, well, that was a sample of a London thunderstorm.